Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo version 2 Switch unit po natin, package. So, I'll be sending separate photos ng mga other inclusions dun sa package po ninyo. So, for your Switch unit, naka-dual boot na rin po ito. Meron siyang legit mode and yung ating jailbreak mode. Currently, ina-access muna natin yung ating jailbreak mode po. Automatic na rin siya every time that we turn on normally our Switch. Ang una niya pong ibuboot up ay yung ating jailbreak mode first. SD card, inserted na rin po siya sa inyong Switch unit. So for this order, this is going pala to Manggahan, Pasig City. Now here are the games that we were able to install. Ito lahat yung mga requested games po ninyo. Then if you're going to check your album folder, andito naman yung ating mga homebrew applications. And then pakita ko na lang din yung ating buttons. Although nas-test na rin namin yung inyong unit, so this is just for our video demo po. Bluetooth, wireless, okay. And for our left Joy-Con, no drifting. And our right, no drifting. And then yung ating buttons. So ZR, ZL, LR, plus minus. Analog buttons natin, ABXY. And directional buttons. SR, SL ng ating left Joy-Con. Then SR, SL naman ng right Joy-Con. Screenshot. And our touchscreen. Alright, so turn off lang natin yung ating switch and access naman natin yung ating second boot, which is our digit mode. So before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait around 10 to 15 seconds, which will be enough time para po yung mod chip natin sa loob is totally ma-turned off po muna. So let's try turning on. Then once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down nyo lang agad yung ating volume down button para mapunta tayo sa ating Hecate menu selection. Now, for normal process in accessing our legit mode, we just need to choose our legit mode sysnand from one of these options. Pero currently, dahil hindi pa po stable yung bagong update, we need to temporarily follow these few steps muna. Click nyo lang po yung close button natin. And then choose reboot. And select OFW. But once we have successfully updated yung ating firmware sa stable na update natin, then we can revert back to the old normal process. So sa legit mode po natin, dito tayo pwede mag-access ng ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if you have physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. Now dahil nasa legit mode naman po tayo ngayon, if you are going to check yung inyong album folder, expect na hindi po ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications, rather yung mga nakasave na photos na meron na po kayo. So, okay na po yung inyong unit. At pakita po lang din pala, yung charging ng inyong Switch unit. So, gamit natin ngayon yung charger that is also included sa package ninyo. So, charging side A, and then side B, then charging. All good. All right, thank you and happy gaming.